Hello kids, in this video we will learn the shapes name and color name and learn how to draw the shapes. So let's start. These are our shapes and these are our colors. These are our colors. This is fluorescent yellow, green color, red color, sky blue color, black color, orange color, brown color, it is violet color, pink color, peach color, blue color, yellow color, this is purple color, it is black color, it is parallelogram. It has four sides and opposite sides are parallel. This shape is pi or partial circle. It is pentagon. It has five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. It is curved down arrow. It is heart. It is hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Let us color these shapes. It is peach color. It is parallelogram. It has 4 sides and opposite sides are parallel to each other. It is a 2D shape. It is sky blue color. This shape is partial circle or pi. It is a 2D shape. It is fluorescent yellow. It is pentagon. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 2D shape. It is light green color. It is curved down arrow. Its direction is downward. It is pink color. This shape is heart. It is black color. This shape is hexagon and it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Kids, let us recall the shapes and color name once again. It is parallelogram, peach color, partial circle or pi, blue color, pentagon, fluorescent yellow, curved down arrow, green color, heart, pink color, hexagon, black color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.